This is Missy. Regular evening. Behaving like a terror, as always. So ready for puppy class tonight, training class. She has officially destroyed her doll. Taken out the stuffing. Absolute terror. This is what I've had to do to keep her off the couch without getting permission. Nope. Off. Super aggressive and pushy.